back to All About Josie, and today I am going to be doing, slime week, day 1. So, I'm going to be doing a slime week this week, and today is day 1. So, let's get started. And the slime for today is glossy slime. So, the first thing you need is glue, like always, because that's what you need to make slime. So, yeah, of course you need glue. White glue, not clear glue, but white glue. So, let's put a little bit in. Okay, just a little bit more. There we go. I think that's a good size. So, wow. Okay, and now you need to, I'm going to put shaving cream in next and foaming hand soap because my shaving cream is blue, so I don't want it to mess up my coloring. Which actually my color may be blue, but you never know. So. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to be putting lotion in. So I can already have that in. And so that you remember of what I added in, I'm going to show you, which one of them I'm just going to. Shaving cream or shaving gel. Foaming hand soap. It doesn't have to be a scent or anything, just foaming hand soap. Lotion. And next is color or food dye or paint. You can use paint too. If you have paint more than food dye, then paint will work. Now I'm just going to mix this all in. Mix. Crush that shaving gel. Okay. So now I'm going to add the color, and then I'll show you what it looks like. And then it may take me a minute to put my camera back because I have it on something, and it takes a minute to get it right. So, especially since I have a pop socket. So, one more drop. I didn't think it was vibrant enough, so I needed one more drop. But I think this is wonderful because it matches my bowl, and I really love the color of my bowl. So now I am going to show you. Ta-da! It's a little bit darker in real life than it is on camera, so yeah. And if I tilted just now, then that's because of me putting my camera back, but just excuse that. So, I look fine though, because I can see myself in the camera. So, and these are the 2 main ingredients. You need baby oil. If you need to, you can take a picture of this. And you need conditioner, which everyone has conditioner. You may want to buy some because you may have a special kind of conditioner, so I don't know. But if you don't, then that's okay. Just use your conditioner. Just take it and use a little bit of it. It doesn't matter how much. Just so I wouldn't put that much baby oil because it's kind of hard to mix in the baby oil. So yeah. Oh yeah. And don't mind if you didn't see the slime clearly. It's because I tried to make it as bright as I could, but it's still kind of failing. So yeah, I wish it was brighter, but oh well. It's like 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, now I'm gonna put some conditioner in. Oh, there. Okay, now I am going to mix the conditioner in and the baby oil. Okay, and now for the most important step, activator. Because everyone needs activator, right? I mean, it's how you make your slime. And my activator is my laundry detergent, which I do recommend because you won't be like allergic to it, I wouldn't think, unless you're allergic to something that is in every single laundry detergent. But there are others. There is borax and water, contact solution and baking soda, and a liquid starch formula called Staflo. It should be in the cleaning. Everything except for the contact solution will be in the cleaning and the water. And yeah, everything except for, and even my laundry detergent will be in the laundry section, but laundry, cleaning, kind of the same section, so I think, I don't know. You may be across the world, so I don't know. But here where I live, it's kind of like the same height, so yeah. It's coming together, my wonderful blue slime. Don't mind the voices in the background, that's just my TV. So, like, don't mind that. And don't mind if I'm, like, messing with my hair. I'm probably just, like, doing an itch or something. So, don't mind if I act weird. And you're seeing it all. Because, yeah. One day I may do a video where it's how quick can I make slime. Like, it will probably be really quick except for the activating part. I mainly make slime really quickly, so like the whole video may be like this long. I don't know. I think I may do that. I don't know. Thinking about it. And I just uploaded a Siri Picks My Slime video. So if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. Go check that out. Because it was funny to see what Siri wanted. So, in that video, you'll be seeing what Siri wanted my slime to look like. Which I made her pick out of numbers because she doesn't really know slime ingredients. Really. So, don't be thinking I told my Siri is like so smart and you want my Siri. It's not that. I did it in numbers. I watched a video of Siri picking someone's slime and that person did numbers, so I decided to do numbers. So, yeah. And I wasn't planning on filming that video, but I decided to. I wasn't planning on it. I was just planning on making it. So. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to put my supplies aside. Now I'm going to move over to my table that I always go to at this time. I'm gonna have to swap. Come on, swappy do. Okay. I'm gonna have to be like all the way out here to be able to do this. Oh, I'm so sorry. Wish I could do this. I guess maybe I can. Can you see my son? You can see my son. You can't see me. So. I did not plan this out. Oh no, there we go. And I guess I can just show you. So here's my slime. Oh. This is my glossy slime. And now I am going to do the Instagram swirl. There we go. There's my Instagram swirl. It wasn't the best, but like, yeah. Now I'm gonna do clicks. I think I'm gonna like. Okay, there we go. Just so y'all could hear it, because I didn't know if y'all could hear it or not. So now I'm going to do a slime bubble. Oh yeah! Oh man. Slime bubble test. Woo! Oh! It made one! You see it? It made some. It made some. It did it. Yay! My slime made a slime bubble. Sorry, it kind of like went under the table a little bit. So I was just making sure that no slime was still there. And now I'm going to do bubble pops. Okay, that was awesome. Oh, I love this slime. It's so glossy and thick. Today I was actually planning slime week and I was like, what in the world? I was like, I know I want to make glossy slime. But then I was thinking of the rest of the days because I'm out of clear glue, so I couldn't do anything clear. Actually, day 5 I may, but that's like day 5. So I may get it by then. So, yeah. And now I'm going to pop it in a container. And yeah, that will be the video. That would be the end of this video. So, and I'm just popping some adorable little charms on it. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And hit the bell. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.